Okay guys, how about we can generate like stylish like symbols, text fonts for your social media posts like Facebook. So automatically you can like bold, like stylish, like italic, or any like kind of like with the emojis uh, at once. Like you don't have to find the emoji and go to style with different fonts. This is work for Instagram, Facebook, and everything. Just wait, I'm going to reveal that right away. I'm going to remove this thumbnail, and then you guys going to see this tool. And I'm go through the tool, and it's a free tool. All you have to do is like copy paste your text post, and before you publish on Facebook or Instagram, and then you come this tool, and it's the tool I'm talking about inside in the description, so you guys can find it and subscribe to the channel and watch other videos that I've shared tools. This is not a promo, I'm not affiliated with this tool or anything, just want to share the value. Okay, so you guys can find this tool under the description. I shared and other some resources. You guys can find me who I am, and I don't have to put my face here in the video because I just want to provide value. It doesn't matter who I am or anything. Guys can meet friend with me on Facebook, or you guys can follow me on Instagram or any social media. Even you find the links on the description. So just do that. Like open the notification so you guys get new things, and like for sure, right? So I'm going to review that tool. Okay, here we go. This is called IG Funds IO. So I put the link at the description. So there are so many ads there, but don't worry about that. They are free tool. If it's a free tool, there's always ads, so don't worry about that. They don't do anything like just like those ads, ban ads. So let's read this one. Their tool, what is this? Especially for Instagram they made that for, but it's work really good for Facebook because Facebook owns Meta, or Meta owns this whole platform, right? WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. So it's work everywhere. Now threads. So welcome is allowed to generate text fonts that you can copy and paste into Instagram, even bio or Facebook. Generate Instagram by symbols to make profiles stand out, right? You want to stand out, like you can't go to like emojis and find that italic. It's wasting time. This tool do that for you. Like uh, just have to put copy and paste the text here and enter. I think I'm in a PC desktop, so it might work in mobile too. Just try it out and bookmark that tool. It's really good. It's a Unicode. It's called, in technical side, it's called Unicode text. So it's automatically grab Unicode text supported by Facebook and Instagram. So it says Unicode had bit tough time through because its different organizations didn't want to change their whole system around just to comply with these new specs. So Unicode had to introduce bunch of different symbols it supports legacy systems. Over time, number of symbols grew into tens of thousands. Today, we are moving into hundreds of thousands emojis, text symbols, and everything. And this is about the Unicode. Computers must store all data binary format, right? That's with the 0 1, so each letter reading right now, so and 0. I have to go through this, don't mind. I'm going to share an example, but just make sure that you guys know about the technical text specs about these tools, right? What is like text fonts or text symbols? This is also called ASCII characters, the 128 symbols of Unicode. So these things they are reading right now, and 182 more than Latin alphabet and everything, blah blah blah. This is when you use a tool, you have to learn about this technical side too, right? So it's making sure that you guys use right way, and but it's as simple as copy paste. So it doesn't matter separate characters, who cares, right? It's a because of if they weren't then you wouldn't able to copy paste them. Okay, that's the secret. You have to copy paste, you have to work on that compatibility. On final note, you may notice some of font style don't work on Instagram, some, but Facebook also. Unfortunately, Instagram filters out fancy letters. Okay, so don't worry about that, but that's the case. So let's go and try. I already copy a text about this title, and that's how it's simple is. I just copy paste, right? So automatically show me the already stylish text font. I'm so excited. So this is like all type of English letters, and this is also same but bold. And this one already adds some emojis to it, and this is like fancy letters. It's also fancy. It's also called fancy text, fancy fonts, like fancy text fonts also. And this is like other fonts kind, like, this is what you call. You can comment what is the what if you know what is this. You guys can comment. And this is something that sometimes there are some useless things, like I don't know if it is might work on some other platforms, but this is there's bunch of here in the bottom. You can find, I will go through. This is a really nice one. All you have to do is like just copy paste this one, and then paste in your social media post before you post. Even you can edit in Facebook there, but this is good before you post. So always you have to generate, like, have to have a ready caption in your notepad or anything, then you can do. See, like, it's automatically find emojis, then I don't have to go to find emoji tool or anything. So I have a video that says about a tool that you can find any emoji by text. But so that's mean that if you go to emoji site, like uh, tool that have all the emoji at once, then you can find. But if you know the name of the text emoji, so you can search like just one name, like say cookie, then it will show this one. That video you can find on my video like channel, and somewhere. Just watch all the videos. Go and watch all the videos. There are lots of great free tools for your business. I'm especially helping for small businesses. By the way, English is my second language. If you so far here, so I hope you understand what but I'm showing you, right? That's why I don't want to show me, but I want to show the tools that I use everyday life in my business. So you guys can give a subscribe and like, and give me a nice comment, like tell me what do you think about this, right?